Peace and love, everyone. This is Sister Iman. I am dropping another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the flooding in Malaysia, which thousands were displaced. And I'm going to read you this article. Torrential rains in Malaysia have caused flooding that has driven more than 11,000 people from their homes, closed dozens of roads, and disrupted shipping, authorities said on Saturday. More than 66,000 personnel from the police, army, and fire department have been mobilized nationwide to help rescue people stranded by flood waters and take them to shelters. Prime Minister Ismaili Sabri Yaakob told a news conference late on Saturday. Floods in Malaysia are coming during the annual monsoon season between October and March, particularly on the country's eastern coast. But the downpour that started on Friday morning and continued into Saturday hit worse in the western state of Selangor, Malaysia's wealthiest and most populous region surrounding the capital, Kuala Lumpur. It's a bit chaotic in Selangor right now. In other states, preparations will be made earlier for the monsoon. But in Selangor, this happened almost suddenly. Ismaili Sabri said, adding that nearly 4,000 people in the state have been evacuated from their homes. Authorities at Port Klang, the country's largest harbor, said shipping operations were severely disrupted by the floods. Dozens of highways and roads were also closed. Video posted on social media showed overflowing rivers, landslides, and cars submerged on abandoned streets. Ashraf Noor Azim, a 26-year-old resident from the Selangor district of Shah Alam, said he had not expected the situation to be serious and had been forced to leave his car on the side of the highway. After 4 hours stranded without help, the flood isn't getting any better. We decided to walk in the flood, he said in a tweet with a video showing 3 people walking. 8 of the country's 16 states and federal territories saw water levels rise into dangerous levels on Saturday, according to the government website tracking flood developments. The meteorological department warned that heavy rain in Selangor, Kuala Lumpur, and several states will continue on Sunday. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to post a link to this article under the video title. I'm going to close it out, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.